Awesome. So we're gonna who up. We're doing the legato study. So second finger. Yeah, and what did it show on the decibel meter?
106.2.
And what is that equal to?
So if it's 100.
Like a blender,
Oh wait, that's the wrong one. I think.
a subway station, or a motorcycle?
So if it's 106, close to a diesel truck.
Oh my gosh, so you're as loud as a diesel truck. Okay, so now you're gonna do one consistent who instead of each individual burst of air like this. Oh my gosh, that was super loud. What was that at?
That didn't break the 106.
Oh, really?
That went
Okay.
to like 105.
Good. Now let's do it on open. So I'll play it on the piano. So let's do it on open. I'm gonna who it first. Yeah, good. And then one consistent block of air. Okay, so now let's translate it to a scale. Grab out your scale sheet.
I wonder, would I get in trouble if I did that in band class?
If you played that loud in band class, has your band director ever told you, Hayden, you're too loud?
No.
No.
That's my goal. And
Yes.
I forgot to grab the scale sheet.
Oh, the scale sheet. Okay. Do you have your G major scale memorized? The one. So it has only one sharp.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember?
What does it start on?
Let's start on G. So we're going to do G, A, B, C. Just do that much like this. Can you tongue those? Ta, 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 ta. Just that much again. Okay, good. And then the next one we're going to do the air balls. D, E, F sharp, G. Like this. Watch my fingers first. Sorry, I tongued it. So we're going to do the air balls. So no tongue, just bursts of air. Ah, but don't forget F sharp is second finger also. Yeah, so how does it feel there? Anything from the face or the stomach there?
It doesn't hurt as much on the face.
Doesn't hurt as much on the face?
Yeah.
Yay, because where's the pressure at now? Yes, awesome. Okay, so let's try it again. Listen to me first and then repeat.
Band when I have to be loud. I'm just going to really blast it.
Great. I'm going to hear it from the directors. Yeah. Okay, so now instead of each individual burst, now one continuous. Listen to it.
Also, you broke the 106.
Oh,
and
yeah?
It's now up to 107.6.
107.6. Is that still equal to a diesel truck?
Yeah.
The decibels?
So a diesel truck is 107.
And what's
so
after a diesel truck?
I think after diesel truck is power mower.
So we are in the permanent hearing loss category right now.
That's my goal. And I sit right next to Cecily. My bell points right at her. She's gonna love this.
We're using our instruments for good. Yes, now let's connect the whole scale. We're gonna tongue it now like this.
And I can like kind of do it while I tongue too, so I can just that's so loud.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go back down. It's all gonna be slurred. the whole scale, tonguing on the way up, slurring on the way down. You are so solid on the upper register now. Just make sure we get the fingers going back down. Try it again. Sigh first. Good.